For years, the Ram HEMI V8 wasn't just an engine, it was the brand's identity. It was the beating heart under the hood, a symbol of raw American power and engineering that set Ram apart from the competition. The HEMI name itself carried a legacy, echoing back to the muscle car era. But in a truck, it meant something even more. Capability you could count on, day in and day out. That unmistakable rumble was a promise of power and capability. It was a sound that turned heads, a deep, throaty growl that let everyone know you were driving something special. For many, it was the soundtrack of hard work and adventure, echoing through job sites, campgrounds, and open highways. Turn the key, and you felt the truck's strength, ready for work or play. The instant the engine fired up, you knew you had the muscle to tackle whatever the day threw at you. Whether it was an early morning start or a late-night haul, the HEMI was always up for the challenge. The HEMI's torque came on strong and low, perfect for hauling or towing. It didn't matter if you were pulling a heavy trailer, a boat, or a load of lumber. The power was always there, right when you needed it. That confidence made every job feel a little easier, every trip a little more secure. No waiting for turbos or computers, just instant muscular response. The connection between your foot and the engine was direct and visceral, a reminder of what driving used to feel like before everything went digital. It was honest, mechanical, and thrilling. It was a symbol of toughness, a badge of honor among Ram owners. The HEMI badge wasn't just a piece of chrome, it was a statement. It told the world you valued strength, reliability, and tradition. The HEMI made you part of a tribe, sharing nods with others who recognized that signature V8 sound. There was a sense of camaraderie, a shared respect, among those who understood what it meant to drive a HEMI-powered Ram. It was more than just a truck, it was a community. It was American muscle, mechanical honesty, and a throwback to simpler times. The HEMI V8 reminded us of an era when vehicles were built to last, when power was measured in cubic inches, and when the open road called out for adventure. For many families, the HEMI was part of their story. Teaching kids how to check the oil, loading up for a weekend getaway, or just enjoying the drive together. It was a constant companion through life's milestones, big and small. For many, the HEMI wasn't just a choice, it was the only choice. It was a source of pride, a reason to stand a little taller when you climbed behind the wheel. It powered the trucks that built our homes and carried our families. From job sites to family vacations, the HEMI was there for the moments that mattered most. The emotional connection ran deep. It was more than just a tool. For many, it was a trusted partner, a source of memories, and a link to the past. That's why moving on from the HEMI is such a big deal. It's not just about technology or efficiency, it's about saying goodbye to a piece of our automotive heritage. It's not just swapping an engine, it's changing the very soul of a truck millions love. The end of the HEMI era is more than a technical update. It's an emotional shift for drivers everywhere. The end of the HEMI era marks a turning point for Ram and its loyal fans. As we look to the future, we remember what made the HEMI special, and why it will always have a place in our hearts. The HEMI V8 earned trust through its simplicity. In a world of complex tech, it was refreshingly straightforward, a naturally aspirated pushrod V8. Mechanics loved it. Familiar layout, easy diagnostics, and parts everywhere. No need for advanced degrees or specialized tools. Just good old-fashioned engineering. For contractors and farmers, reliability was everything. The HEMI started every morning and worked as hard as you did. Fewer things to go wrong, no turbos, no complicated fuel systems. That's why high-mileage HEMI trucks are still on the road. Drivers loved the smooth, predictable power and direct connection to the road. It was honest, drama-free, and easy to control, perfect for towing. Parts were affordable, and any small-town mechanic could fix it. Owners knew they could keep their trucks running for decades. The HEMI was a true workhorse, simple, strong, and built to last. That's a legacy that's hard to replace. As much as we loved the HEMI, change was coming. Fuel economy and emissions regulations made big V8s a tough sell. The HEMI's old-school design, while reliable, was becoming a liability. Updating it for modern standards would have meant losing its simplicity. Starting fresh made more sense. Enter the Hurricane engine. Ram needed a new platform to meet future demands and keep the brand moving forward. Meet the Hurricane, a modern turbocharged inline-six replacing the HEMI. Instead of 8 cylinders, it uses 6 in a smooth, balanced row. Twin turbos force-feed air, delivering V8 power with better efficiency. The standard Hurricane outperforms the old 5.7L HEMI, and the high-output version rivals the 6.4L. It's packed with Tech Direct injection, aluminum block, and low-friction coatings. Every part is engineered for maximum power and minimal waste. Ram is betting that buyers will embrace this high-tech, efficient powerhouse. Only time will tell if the gamble pays off. The HEMI and Hurricane aren't just different in numbers, they have distinct personalities. Each engine brings its own character to the table, shaping the entire driving experience from the moment you turn the key. The HEMI V8 delivers instant, predictable grunt, and that classic rumble. It's the kind of sound that stirs something primal, echoing through the cabin and out the tailpipe. It's mechanical, connected, and confident, like a strong draft horse. You feel every pulse of the engine, every surge of torque, as if the truck and driver are working in perfect harmony. The Hurricane's turbocharged power comes with a brief lag, then a thrilling surge. When the boost hits, it's like a wave of energy, pushing you forward with surprising force. Its sound is smoother, more refined, a high-tech whistle instead of a deep roar. The Hurricane feels modern, almost futuristic, with a soundtrack that's more about precision than brute force. The HEMI feels relaxed and effortless, while the Hurricane revs higher and works harder. On the open road, the V8 loafs along, barely breaking a sweat, while the Turbo 6 is eager, always ready to climb the revs. Some will love the turbo rush. It's addictive, especially when you want to merge or overtake. The sensation of the boost building is a thrill for those who crave excitement. Others will miss the V8's lazy torque, that effortless shove at low RPMs. It's a feeling of power always on tap, without waiting for turbos to spool. It's a choice between old-school analog and modern digital power. The V8 is about tradition and muscle, while the Hurricane is about innovation and efficiency. The HEMI is a classic rock anthem. It's raw, bold, and instantly recognizable, appealing to those who love nostalgia and the golden age of trucks. The Hurricane, a complex electronic track, layered, intricate, and engineered for the modern world. It's for drivers who want the latest tech and a new kind of performance. Both get the job done, whether you're towing, hauling, or just heading out for a weekend adventure. They're built to work hard, but the way they do it couldn't be more different. But the experience is fundamentally different. One is about muscle and tradition, the other about innovation and efficiency. The sound, feel, and power delivery create two unique driving worlds. Every detail, from the way the engine responds to the way the cabin feels, sets them apart. Which you prefer comes down to what you value in a truck: the timeless thunder of a V8 or the high-tech whistle of a Turbo 6. The choice is yours. New tech brings new concerns, especially with an engine as important as this. The Hurricane is complex: 2 turbos, intercooler, high-pressure fuel pumps, and a web of sensors. More moving parts mean more potential issues, especially for hard-working trucks. Turbos demand strict maintenance, no skipping oil changes or using cheap oil. The HEMI was forgiving, the Hurricane isn't. Long-term durability is unproven. Will it handle years of heavy towing? Repairs will be trickier and more expensive with tight engine bays and specialized tools. The days of easy backyard fixes may be over. For those who value simplicity and self-reliance, this is a real concern. Trust in the Hurricane will have to be earned over time. The real test for any truck engine is towing and hauling. It's not just about horsepower on paper, it's about how the engine handles the relentless demands of real work, day in and day out. Whether you're pulling a heavy trailer up a steep grade or hauling a bed full of tools to a job site, the engine's true character is revealed under load. The HEMI's low-end torque made it a steady, confident puller. That deep reserve of grunt meant you could ease into the throttle and feel the truck surge forward, even with a full trailer behind you. It's a feeling that built the HEMI's reputation among truck owners who depend on their rigs for serious work. The Hurricane relies on turbos and higher RPMs, so expect more downshifting, especially on hills. Instead of that instant torque, you'll hear the engine spool up and work harder to keep momentum. For some, that's a trade-off. More gears shifting, but also more power on tap when you need it. The HEMI's robust nature gave peace of mind under heavy loads. It was a workhorse, built to take abuse and keep going, mile after mile. For contractors, farmers, and anyone who pushes their truck to the limit, that reliability was priceless. The Hurricane makes more power, but with higher internal pressures, can it handle years of abuse? With more complex engineering and forced induction, there's always a question about long-term durability. Only time and hard use will tell if it can match the HEMI's legendary toughness. Fuel economy is a big reason for the switch. As fuel prices rise and emissions standards tighten, efficiency matters more than ever. The Hurricane promises better mileage, especially when the truck isn't working at full tilt. The Hurricane should be more efficient when cruising, but under heavy load, it might use as much fuel as the HEMI. That's the reality of physics. Moving weight takes energy, no matter how advanced the engine. Real-world towing MPG is still an open question. Early numbers look promising, but only after thousands of miles and countless loads will we know if the Hurricane truly delivers savings at the pump. Maintenance costs will rise, synthetic oil, more frequent changes, and pricier repairs. Modern engines are marvels of engineering, but that complexity comes at a cost, both in parts and in labor. The HEMI was cheap and easy to maintain, the Hurricane, not so much. Simpler engines meant more DIY repairs and lower shop bills. Now specialized tools and knowledge are required, making upkeep more expensive for owners. Spark plugs and turbos will be harder and costlier to service. Turbocharged engines demand more attention, and when something goes wrong, repairs can be time-consuming and expensive. For those who use their trucks as tools, long-term costs matter. Every dollar spent on maintenance or repairs is a dollar not spent on the job. Reliability and affordability are just as important as power and efficiency. The new engine's true value will be proven over years of hard work. It's not just about specs, it's about how the truck stands up to the daily grind, season after season, job after job. Buyers will be watching closely, weighing every pro and con before making the leap. In the end, it's the real-world performance and reliability that will decide if the Hurricane earns its place alongside the HEMI legend. Ram buyers now face a real crossroads. The HEMI V8 stands for proven grit, simplicity, and mechanical honesty. It's the safe bet for those who value reliability and easy maintenance. The Hurricane inline-six is the high-tech future, more power, more torque, and better efficiency. It's for those excited by innovation and willing to embrace complexity. The choice depends on what you value, the comfort of the past, or the promise of the future. Long-term owners may stick with the HEMI. Early adopters will jump on the Hurricane. There's no single right answer, just what fits your needs and philosophy. This is a defining moment for Ram and its fans. The next chapter of the truck story is just beginning.